In this video, we'll look at how we can connect a USB drive or a USB flash drive to an Ubuntu Linux machine on VirtualBox. The USB drive that I have, if I look at the host device, it's right here, and it's got a file in it. But if I come in here, I'm not seeing any sign of a USB drive. And if I open the terminal, there's a few commands I can run. I'm seeing this SDA block device. I'm not seeing any other block device. Let's also list block devices using the command lsblk for list block devices, and I'm only seeing SDA, which is my main disk, and I have the CD-ROM right here. I'm not seeing any other devices. Now what we need to do is we need to go, in order for us to connect our USB device to this Ubuntu Linux machine, you need to go to devices, go to USB, and it should be listed under your USB devices. This is it right here. You click on it, and you should get you go back to devices again and USB. You should get a check mark next to the USB device, and also there's an icon here now for the USB device. To open it, you can just click on it, and this is it right here. You can access your files inside of it from here. And if I go back to the terminal now and I do df-h, I can see this device. It's been mounted right here in that folder. And if I needed to access it, I could just cd to this folder, media, and these are the contents of that USB device. So that's pretty much it. That's how you would connect your USB drive to an Ubuntu machine on a VirtualBox. There is another setting that you might want to check if you're having issues, and this you need to check the setting while your virtual machine is turned off. So I'll power off this virtual machine and I'll show the setting. So let me just shut this down, and then I'll show the settings that I'm talking about. Power off, power off. So I have VirtualBox. So I have a VirtualBox manager open, and the setting I was referring to, we get to it by right-clicking on the virtual machine. In this case, Ubuntu. I'm going to settings, and then it's going to be under USB. And this is what you need to ensure is enable USB controller. So you need to have a check mark in here. It should be checked by default, but you might just want to verify that, and then you can go with the whichever controller you want. I'm going with the USB 2.0. So that's the setting you want. Make sure it's enabled on your virtual machine. And then once you have that confirmed, you can just click OK. Then you can go ahead and power on your machine. That's all for this video. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.